So this video is going to be a little bit warped because I'm using my wide camera on the back side of my phone so we can actually get some proper close-ups, and I think this camera should allow it. So what I'm trying to show you here is the shininess of this 0.06 millimeter poly that I was given with really low density. Here's my sensor. I've got this Philips Hue sensor that sets off the lights. And this light as well. Very important to have a nice big light over your bathroom mirror. Okay, so what I want to show you here is this shine here. The best way to remove it is, well, you might think, well, just wear lace, not poly. Poly's going to be very shiny. But then again, you've got that whole problem of having glue placed all along the hairline, and that's why I keep complaining about lace. It's just too hard to apply. With poly, you flip it back, you glue along the poly, and then you just wait for 15 minutes so it doesn't ooze out, and then you push it down and then it just stops, right? The problem is with the plastic, sometimes they don't give you very good quality plastic, or maybe it's the 0.06 millimeter thick poly they give me. This isn't one of the new ones I'm about to review from New Times Hair. This is medium density, and they said they could not create a 0.03 millimeter poly unit that had medium density hairs in it because it just tears the plastic apart because it's too weak. But that's not what I found. From Lordhair, I mean, and other companies, I've already ordered 0.03 millimeter poly units that do have medium density. So this is only medium light density, and I don't like it. It's not dense enough to cover over, well, the plastic, which shouldn't be shiny in the first place, but it is. And secondly, the cornfield lines, and they're basically the only two real things that we have to cover up in terms of there being a wall of hair, because there's a thick layer of dark brown hair coming straight out of my forehead. That wall of hair is a bigger problem when it's medium density, admittedly, because there are too many hairs coming out hard and fast all at once, which is why they put in graduation, less hairs at the very front hairline on hair pieces, which is no good for me because I want to cut it in half and get two hair pieces, one from the back, one from the front for my partials. So I want to keep the thick density all the way through, just so I can cut it anywhere. Otherwise, graduation would probably be a somewhat good idea, but that can be circumvented by bleaching along the front hairline to lessen the impact of any dark hairs against pale skin. So my solution for this right now, instead of ripping this hairpiece off and going straight into playing with my new hairpiece, which I'm going to review, is just to use Shine Killer from NYX. And I went shopping everywhere to find this about, I don't know, 10 years ago. And then it started spreading like wildfire through all the forums and everything, and everyone else is now using this after all my research. So, since I'm the initial discoverer of this product in use with hairpieces, I'm going to show you how fucking well this thing works, alright? So I'm just going to take a tiny bit of this stuff. Might have to order some more, because it feels full, even though, so that's enough, right? Now, I'm not sure if you can see nice and focused on how the plastic is shining in relation to the lighting here. But I want you to concentrate on this area at the front here, which is going to be exposed, because I like the brush back look. Now I'm going to rub this all over this, okay? Now there's no trick photography or anything else. I'm just putting this stuff on and rubbing it over the plastic in there. It's not wet enough to make all the hairs wet or anything like that, but I would probably have to restyle my hair and stuff, but it'll be spraying shiny spray or anything onto the plastic either. Okay, now even me with the naked eye looking in the mirror, okay, that bit there I can still see, because it looks like there's a bubble under there. Okay. But can you see how the shine has made it completely invisible, except for maybe that one little bit of bubble there? This stuff really is made out of unicorn semen, okay? That's where they have to get it from. There's a whole factory where there's a whole bunch of, I don't want to say midgets, but little people, let's say, whacking off unicorns and getting their magic seed, putting it in here, and it basically just makes shine disappear. I don't know how it works, but it's magic. So yeah, if you don't have any of this stuff, get it, put it in your arsenal. I said annual. You don't want to get pregnant with unicorn babies, and be shitting rainbows. And it's a mess. You might think it's great, you can fly and everything, but seriously, you don't have wings, you won't be able to land gently, all right? Your next fart will be your last, even though you'll spread color and cheer to everybody around you, but you'll die, so don't do that. Just stick it up here, all right? Not up there. NYX Shine Killer.